Good afternoon, 1:30 p.m. What do we have? Baidu. Chinese internet stock reported its quarterly earnings. It is pumping to 167, 167, and there it goes. It's going higher and higher and higher. Remember, this is a Chinese internet stock. So we're going to go through this release. Every time we get these Chinese releases, we're always somewhat skeptical. And we do our trades very quickly. Like we had that spike and we sold already. We sold into it right here. You can see it drop like a rock. But once again, the close is 159.74. No problem there and whatnot. So what I am going to say is we will go through the option trades on this one. Preliminary number on Baidu is $1.24 versus $1.03 capital IQ consensus estimates. Revs 1.53 billion. Now here's the thing, Revs 1.53 billion versus 1.55 billion. That was capital IQ consensus estimates. So there's a little bit of discrepancy right there on those numbers that I just mentioned, 1.53 billion versus 1.55. Yeah, the stock shot up. It does this. We've traded this ever since it was a publicly traded company. You get that, you sell right into it. I'm going to have to find out more about these numbers. They see Q2 revs of 1.9 to 1.948 billion. So that's the forward-looking revs versus 188. So that is a better number than the number that I had just read. Now, one thing about it is we're going to really have to go through these numbers with a fine-tooth comb. And so Baidu is up. Here's the high. So, and it's still printing. And it's time to sell Baidu. And the thing about it is, selling into that strength, they said something else. You got a 168. They keeping it going right here. This is live right now, an after hours trade. We do not have any other information other than a high frequency model in after hours had got some of that news to get this knee-jerk reaction, and now we're going to see that it's $10 up in after hours. Remember that 59.34 was the previous day's close. This thing was only up 40 cents going into this report. So once again, it's a Chinese internet stock. We like to know what's going on over there and what they're doing, and we're going to find out a lot more once they release what their other revenue streams were and whatnot. We're going to take a look at a possible short right up here. I'm being told we got hit right up there, so I got to make sure they keep a stop market order on this trade right here, right now. So once again, they got to be careful with this because it's coming right back up toward that 169 area, and it's good to have a stop on this thing at it'd be 169.75, and after hours called stop market order at that price level, 169.75. We're printing 168. Look at that there. Here it is, 168. It's all over the map. And remember, this is par for the course. So we're going to take a look at what we can do tomorrow with the call side and the put side on Baidu.